We have seen some milder weather this past week, which means temperatures down into the 70s. So we only topped out at 78 yesterday in Eugene, 79 for both of those of you in Corvallis and in Roseburg. A little bit warmer in Medford at 81, a little bit cooler up in Portland at 77, and the coast was sort of a mixed bag. For those of you near Newport, it was a cooler day at just 61 degrees, but North Bend did manage to get up to 70 yesterday, and then we saw most folks here in central and eastern Oregon in the 80s. So that high temperature of 78, that's just 3 degrees below average for this time of year. The average is 81 degrees right now. As that starts to fall off as we head into September, it'll become more common to see 70s. But if you're from here, you know that on average, September is warmer than June. So don't let that whole back to school thing fool you. We still have a little bit of summer left. The record 97, and that's a long-standing record all the way back to 1931. Now this morning, we are seeing the cloud cover, that storm that's been keeping us cool, finally starting to make its way to the east. And as it does, we're seeing quite a bit of cloud cover across western Washington and most of us here in western Oregon as well. And if you look very closely, a little bit green showing up on the map. We've got a little bit of light rain out there for the North Valley and for the coast this morning. Not really expecting a whole lot. Right now at the Eugene Airport, it's just broken clouds and a current temperature of 53 degrees. Those winds out of the southeast at about 3 miles per hour. Behind this storm, those are going to shift around from the north, and that'll help to clear us out. But we have not seen cool enough temperatures or any rainfall or enough rainfall to bring that fire danger down. So if you are headed out this Labor Day weekend to do some camping, just keep in mind that is definitely still up in the high category. Now that deep trough of low pressure and that storm there near Vancouver Island has been what's keeping us cool. That's going to start to slide to the east here later today. We'll continue to see morning clouds and afternoon sunshine through Friday. Then by Saturday, we're going to be on the other side of the jet stream, which means we're going to see some warmer temperatures move in, and we're going to see some more sunshine to go with it. I expect those clouds that are out there this morning to retreat to the coast here by this afternoon. As we head into Thursday, we'll see just a few brief morning clouds developing once again. You can see here at 7 a.m. Socked in there near Portland, and then here for the west side. Otherwise, what's there will break up for the second half of the day. Friday, just a few high cirrus clouds move through as that jet stream starts to slide off to the northeast. Otherwise, it's back to sunny skies for Labor Day weekend. The coast today will be in the mid-60s. Again, some fog forming out there near the beach, a little bit of drizzle possible today as well. But the winds will be shifting back to the north this afternoon, a sign that some drier weather is on the way. Mid-60s here through Friday. You will get a little bit cooler this weekend, and that's because of those clear skies. Overnight lows will drop down into the 40s, so daytime highs only getting up into the low 60s. For the Umpqua Basin, it's going to be upper 70s again today. Dealing with the morning cloud cover, but lots of sunshine this afternoon. You'll also see those winds from the north. 79 on Thursday, then it's back to the 80s for Friday, and we'll stay there all the way through Tuesday of next week. The Cascades are looking at mid-60s up the pass, upper 60s and low 70s in the foothills, staying partly cloudy there today. Sunny and mild for those of you in Central Oregon, looking at upper 70s, closer to 80 though, starting tomorrow. And for the valley, we're looking at mid-70s, about 76 today in Eugene. A few morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. This will be the coolest day of the next 7-day stretch. We'll climb up to 82 on Saturday, which will be the warmest day. Great weather for both the ducks and the beeves kicking off this weekend. And then we'll see those low 80s all the way through Labor Day weekend.